What's good, guys? My name is Rabbi Brian Jones and welcome to my YouTube channel. So the graphic design contest episode 8 is here, and in this episode we'll be designing a cosmetic product packaging. In the link in the description there are details and also some mock-ups and images. Design a cosmetic product package with any of the resources in the link. The final work should be in one of the mock-ups in the link, and make sure to use any of the resources you like and not an external one. The contest starts today, Tuesday 12th of October 2021, and ends on Saturday 16th October 2021. You can send your final work to me on Instagram or on my WhatsApp. Good luck.